Welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me HP Photosmart 5520, and now I can show you how to set up sleep mode on this device. First need to open settings, then click preferences and scroll down. Here you will see the sleep mode, and here we can adjust the sleep mode entering automatic feature. So if you will set up it, for example, if you will choose after 5 minutes, it means that after 5 minutes of unprinting, after 5 minutes of inactivity of your device, printer will automatically sleep. But in sleep mode, your printer will be able to wake up if you will start a job. For example, if you will send a job to print something, so printer will automatically wake up. So we can change the sleep mode, for example, after 15 minutes or after 10 minutes. And here we have the auto off. So auto off, this is the auto disabling feature. So click OK, click on it, and after enabling this feature, your printer after the desired time will be automatically disabled. Thanks for watching and bye, see you.